Today I'm doing a tutorial on back seat removal for the Hummer H3. Let's get cracking. I'll begin by removing this lower section of seat, lifting up, pulling forward. And just these two bolts here on this side. I'll just pop these little rubber caps off. This nut appears to be 18 millimeters. With those removed, I can lift out the lower part of the seat. I'll repeat the process on this side. And I'll lift out this side. There are 4 more nuts to remove. And pop the plastic pieces off of either side. Then we'll go ahead and release the back seats from their locking mechanisms, allowing them to hinge forward. An extension comes in handy at this step. And with the fasteners removed, I can go ahead and lift out this remaining portion of the seat. I'm gonna go get the kids for help. So I'm thinking if we all 3 lift, we can get it out of here pretty good. What do you think, Monty? What's the plan? Oh, okay. Now the seats are out. And there we have it. A quick and simple guide on the back seat removal for the Hummer H3. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content. See you next time.